guys, this is Stephen here from Share Navigator, and this is an update on our US 500 short put trade on the IG platform. So what I want to show you here, and this is actually thanks to Ronan who asked me to do this, I want to show you how you could actually put in a limit price to close out your position without having to watch the screen all day long. So just for people that might be watching this video way into the future and are looking back on this, this is an exceptional time. There's war in the Middle East and we're in this short put on a Friday afternoon, let's say. And if we get into a certain profit level on it, I've said I'll take my profit off the table on this trade and walk away. And the reason for that is it removes the uncertainty of what could happen, let's say Saturday and Sunday, and then the market reopens on Sunday night into Monday. So we'd be removing all of that risk. So if it did go into a profit of 1%, remember we've already made 1.5% on this trade for the month of March. And if we made a 1% here, we would have got our target return of 2.5%. So in order to make 1%, we would need the price of our put option to drop to 20. So let me show you how we work that out. We had an opening price here of 30.2. Don't forget we sold the put option. So we want this value to disintegrate to zero if possible to make our full profit on the trade. We have a bet size of 12. So potentially we could make over, let's call it $360 profit on this particular trade, right? Now what we're saying is if the premium dropped to 20, we would close out the trade today. That will get us to our 1% profit. So you think about it. If we sold something at 30.2, we're buying it back at 20, we're making it a profit of 10.2. Multiply that by 12, and that's over $120. And when you convert that back to euro, it's just over €100. And remember, this is a 10K account. So €100 as a percentage of a 10K account is about 1%, which will get us to our target for the month. And we wouldn't even have to put on another trade for the month. Now, what I'm saying to you as well here is if this doesn't get filled today, it's not a problem. Don't forget, we've got 10% leeway for this trade to go wrong. So it's only a case of if for some reason we got this snapback rally like we've done in the past, we might want to lock in some gains to avoid the weekend risk as such. But if we don't get those gains, I'm not concerned about it. It's a trade we've got plenty of leeway to do things with. So it's not a case of we have to get out today. It's just a case of if it did go up substantially, this is what we'd be getting out at 20, and this is how you do it. You just type 20 into the limit box here, press enter, and that's it. And then you can walk away. You don't need to look at your screen anymore for the rest of the day. And then the other thing I will just say to you is if it's a case then that we don't get filled today, and let's say you get to Monday and you've changed your mind, well then take that limit price off then. Okay, so that would be the only other thing I say. Okay, this is Stephen with an update on how to put a limit price on an IG index to be able to go and close down your short put trades. If you have any questions, please feel free to WhatsApp me. Thanks and bye for now.